Hello guys, I'm here right now in Genova watching the Euroflora 2022.
Galleria della Cisa.
No problem mo yun, no problem.
Vai.
Che bello.
Io illuminata quello alto.
Sì.
2040 metri.
2000.
Sì, 2 km.
2 kilometri. Mamma mia, questo kilonggo.
Sì.
Pinakataas na tunnel guys. Paano daw?
C'è anche i ventilatori, no?
2 kilometers.
Non finisce più.
Siguro naman sila yung mura, pero
E c'è ancora un po'.
basta, solo 1 minuto. Ang kanima, ay hindi
Buon viaggio.
Hello guys! Good morning everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. This is Bisayang Pinay in Italia. Guys, today I'm here right now in Genova because we are watching the Euroflora 2022. So Euroflora guys, it's an exhibition of flowers and ornamental plants. Right now, guys, we are here now in the city. We are walking, going through the entrance of the Euroflora. Time check, guys. It's early. It's 7 o'clock because we're coming here early because it's really hard to find the parking. Yan. So, that's why we came early. And, napapansin nyo, guys, na wala talagang katao-tao sa daan dahil early morning pa siya. So, look, their city, guys. It's so organized, clean. You cannot see any plastic, no, in the road. It's beautiful. Hey, guys! Mga bistak sa Parma. Look, guys. It's so nice. It's so beautiful, but it's flowers, eh? Real flowers. So right now guys, we're here in the pinaka ano na nila, chita na gyud, pinaka center na nila, and we are buying na our tickets sa ilahang ticket booth. Right now guys, we are dropping here in the newspaper stand. This one have Nerby, no, on top, yan, because one of our friends wants to buy the newspaper, yan. So it's beautiful. Then look around guys, their buildings also, it's very colorful. Behind our back, that's the ticket booth. Now guys, I'm so amazed because look guys, this orange is anywhere here. My gosh, there's a lot of oranges in their city. Then ang nakaka-amaze guys, kay nobody pick it up. Mga nangalaglag lang siya. So, sayang na sayang. Guys, this is my mga beautiful friends from Visayas.
Adli-adlian.
Yan, from Visayas
Mindanao.
and Mindanao. No,
Yung Leyte.
Leyte,
Naval.
Leyte, Cebu, South, North and South, Cebu. Yeah. I'm here right now in the entrance of Euroflora in Genova, Italy. Yan, que bello. Yan. Where are the flowers? Look. It's very beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's very nice. Yan. O diri sa mo kay nindot kay background pa ya diha
Background diha nga.
Yan, oh.
An man na.
Diha ka nang fountain magod.
Kani ba o? Kani mga alasimsim.
So guys, itong Euroflora nila guys, super lapad. As in, naa sila'y mga around 300 na national and international exhibitor. So, ganun siya ka ano. Tapos, ang lapad, 8 hectares ang space ng ginawa nilang garden. Then, naa siya'y 90 ka gardens nga lain-lain og style kay lain-lain man ang ni-join ani no. And then, 16 fountain, different kinds of fountain also. Ganun siya. So, bali, ang kani siyang ano guys, flower expo nila dito, garden expo, is ano lang siya, mustay lang siya for 2 weeks. Nag-start ni siya open atong June, no, not June, April 23 until May 8 lang siya guys. So, ganun siya. Kaya, medyo may kamahalan yung entrance fee nila. Yan. So, ang ganda, di ba? Naka-ano siya, yung garden nila. Tapos, yan pa, oh. Ang ganda ng karusa at may kabayo. Ganda ng flowers. Yan. Ano kayang pangalan nito? Hindi ko na ano wala siyang pangalan kasi para siyang ano guys, Adelpha. Yan. So, it's so beautiful. It's a very amazing space. Look guys, the view. It's so beautiful. Amazing. May photo bomber, oh. Video bomber pala. Guys, yan. Look guys, they're trying different kinds of trees, no? This one guys, para siyang plastic. Pero as in, totoo siya. As in real. It's look like plastic. Yan. Amazing. It's a very nice na pagka-landscape nila. Yan. Amazing. So nice. Usong-uso kasi yan dito sa Italy guys during during springtime. Yung mga may mga ano yan sila sa mga park. Yan. So, amazing. Talagang gumastos sila dito guys. Yan. Different kinds of lemon. Merong maliliit, merong malalaki. Yan. Yung parang ano siya, cat. Clementine ang tawag dito sa Italy. Yan. Ang dami. Now they have also different kinds of herbs guys. Yan. The herbs, yan, they have mint, parsley, yan, a lot, rosemary, almost all kinds of herbs nandyan. Yan, nandito. Amazing. Nasila'y rosemary. Alam nyo guys, ang rosemary pag mamulaklak, ang ganda din, violet yung bulaklak niya. Then they have marjoram, oregano, yan. Sage, meron din sila. Ang dami talaga. Dito kasi sa Europe guys, normal lang na mga herbs na yan dito. Yan. It's so beautiful. Look guys, it's so very amazing how they do landscape on this because they cannot do this on the winter time. Because the trees don't have leaves, 'di ba? For winter, wala 'yan, pangit tingnan, 'di ba? Pero now it's all green. I don't know in just short period of time because the springtime start only on March, no?
Hi.
Passion show muna si Akits. Look guys, the panoramic view, it's so amazing, it's so beautiful, nakaka-relax, my gosh. Guys, this is the first time that I saw the very, very huge bonsai. And there a fountain, very nice. Yan, nakita niyo yan guys, yung different kinds of fountain nila. And yung mga bonsai na yan, ang lalaki. That's olive tree guys. Yan. Ang lalaki ng bonsai nila. It's so beautiful. Look the flowers surrounded in the fountain, guys. Actually, guys, this is very beautiful if it is fully bloom. But right now, no, hindi pa siya nakabukadkad lahat. Kaya kunti-kunti pa yung merong flowers. Pero maganda na siya tingnan. Yan. Ang ganda. As in, kasi siya, guys, yung tawag dito, yung flowers na ito pang springtime talaga. Ang tawag nila dito ay primavera na flowers. Yan. Beautiful. So, this is a lemon tree. Yan. Ang sarap na namumulaklak pa siya, guys. Dadami pa ang bunga nito. As in. Yan. Mga lemon na sila. Yan. Yan, oh. Super laki. Ang laki. Tapos, ano pa sila? Namumulaklak. Ay. Nag-model na si Madam. Look the cactus, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so huge. It's very big. This is the first time I saw this kind of cactus, guys. It's so beautiful, as in. Look, guys, these pink tulips, guys. It's so very beautiful. The name of this is Lydia. But the yellow one and the other one, I don't know what's the name now because we cannot read it because it's inside and we are not allowed to go inside. Yeah, and it's so beautiful. Amazing. And of course, inside the garden, no? Because this is so wide, so huge, 8 hectares, there's a lot of shop also for food. Yan. Amazing. Number 1 kay Chocolate Hills daw. Ako sa Chocolate Hills na. Okay, guys, thank you for watching on my blog, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for my next video. And guys, see you on the part 2 of this blog. Don't forget to share.